Just get off and back up. I'll fix it. Keep her coming.
Keep going.
Keep going.
I did not see that.
It's alright.
Stand there.
Back her up. Push hard. Okay, there you go. Take the sock out, Dee. Take the sock out. Slowly. Come on, Claire, get out of the way or they'll hit you. That was pretty fast. You'll get another turn. Claire?
Riley, will you please put your hood on, Pie? Riley, will you put your hood on?
What?
Will you put your hood on?
I can't.
Slow, Diesel, slow.
Left leg, Clay? Okay.
You have to tie so much on the girls. He's
I
not
know.
watching where he's
That's
going.
how he drives everything.
Are you serious?
What the heck's he doing?
He's trying to whip him. Diesel! Straight line!
Woohoo! Come right. Hey, that was perfect, Dee. You got a good camera shot for me.
How about you? How about Ryan? Can you want to turn the